it! Let's learn! What? We use what to ask about things. What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat.
Who? We use who to ask about people. Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Miss Rose.
Where? We use where to ask about places. Where do you go after school?
I go to the park.
When? We use when to ask about time. When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 o'clock.
Why? We use why to ask for a reason. Why are you happy?
Because I got a new toy.
Which? We use which to ask someone to choose between options. Which fruit do you like, apples or bananas?
I like bananas.
Whose? We use whose to ask who something belongs to. Whose bag is this? It's my bag. Great job! See you next time! Bye-bye!